Okay, so how do you fix a shared printer on the network that is just keep asking for to install the drivers whenever you want to connect with it? So first of all, you gotta have to get inside registry editor. Okay, run as administrator, and then you gotta have to go to Hey Local Machine, HKey Local Machine or whatever that is, then system, then current control set, then control, then print, then environments, and then Windows 64 drivers version 3, and then you're gonna have to choose your printer from here, the one that you have shared on the network, and then you're gonna have to get inside printer driver attributes, right click on that, click on modify, and then you gotta have to change the value data to 1. It must be 0 here, so you gotta have to change it to 1. And once you have done that, then you gotta have to go inside services, run this as an administrator as well, and then find printer spooler, this one right here, print spooler. All right, right click on that, restart, or you can double click on it to get inside it, and then all you gotta have to do is just click on stop. Okay, once it's stopped, click on start again or restart, and make sure that it is on automatic, and that's it. That's pretty much it. And now we're gonna do all these computers right here. They were all having the same issue. It was just whenever I wanted to connect like from any of the computer to the printer, it was just keep asking for the drivers, that you gotta have to install the drivers. But now all of them work. And then after that, all you gotta have to do is just click on the network and go to the whatever your PC name is, server or whatever, the one that you have shared the printer from. Double click on it, right click, click on connect, and then boom, you will be good to go. Now we're gonna test print here just to make sure everything works fine, and boom, there you go. So you just have to do these settings on the server computer or the one that you have shared your printer from. In my case, it was this computer. So yeah, now all the computers are working fine. You don't have to do this on every single computer. All you gotta have to do is just make sure that you do these settings on the main one, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, peace.